Welcome. You are about to embark on a journey of self-discovery. This is a journey into the heart of ancient wisdom. We will explore the Tao Te Ching. This book holds secrets to a life well lived. The Tao Te Ching teaches us a powerful truth. Our thoughts shape our reality. By understanding our thoughts, we can change our lives. It's a journey of transformation. It starts within. Are you ready? Let's begin. Step onto the path of the Tao. Discover the power within.
Within each of us reside two minds, each with its own unique characteristics and influences on our lives. The original mind and the ego mind. The original mind is our true essence, untouched by the chaos of the external world. The original mind is pure awareness, a state of being that is always present yet often overshadowed. It is calm, peaceful, and wise. Like the stillness of a dawn over a quiet forest. Like a still pond, it reflects the world clearly, without distortion or judgment. The ego mind, on the other hand, is restless and constantly in motion. It chatters, judges, and worries incessantly, creating a constant stream of mental noise. It seeks pleasure and avoids pain, always looking for the next distraction or escape. It clings to the illusion of control, leading to confusion and inner turmoil. To find balance, we must harmonize these two minds, integrating their strengths and minimizing their weaknesses. We must quiet the ego mind through practices like meditation and mindfulness. This allows the wisdom of the original mind to emerge, guiding us with clarity and insight. Like the stillness of the lake, we can reflect the world with clarity, seeing things as they truly are. The Tao Te Ching offers guidance. It teaches us to find stillness. Verse 77 speaks of contentment. Is there a better way to live than to accept what is and find joy in the present moment? This is mindfulness. It is about being present, appreciating what we have, finding joy in the simple things, like a flower blooming in the sun, or the taste of a ripe strawberry. By being present, we silence the ego mind. We connect with the peace within. This is the path to true happiness. Section 4. Cultivating Harmony: Practical Steps for Daily Living. In this section, we will explore how to bring more peace and balance into our daily lives through mindful practices and conscious choices. How do we quiet the ego mind? This is a question many of us grapple with. The ego mind is often noisy, filled with worries, fears, and endless chatter. How do we choose our thoughts? It starts with awareness. Becoming aware of the thoughts that pass through our minds is the first step towards gaining control over them. Pay attention to your thoughts. Notice the patterns. Are they positive or negative? Are they uplifting or draining? Are they helpful or harmful? Understanding the nature of your thoughts is crucial. It helps you to identify which thoughts to nurture and which to let go. When you notice a negative thought, acknowledge it. Don't judge it. Simply observe it. This non-judgmental awareness is key to transforming your thought patterns. Then, gently redirect your attention. Focus on something positive, a happy memory, a feeling of gratitude. This takes practice. Be patient with yourself. Over time, this practice becomes easier and more natural. Like training a puppy, you are teaching your mind. It requires consistency and kindness. Celebrate small victories and don't be too hard on yourself when you slip. With time, you will find it easier to choose thoughts that nourish your soul. These positive thoughts will create a ripple effect, enhancing your overall well-being and bringing more harmony into your life. Remember, the journey to a peaceful mind is a continuous process. Embrace it with an open heart and a gentle spirit. Your efforts will be rewarded with a deeper sense of inner peace and contentment.
Section 5. The Power of Letting Go, Embracing Emptiness. Verse 10 of the Tao Te Ching speaks of emptiness. Can you empty your mind of all unnecessary desires and embrace the void? This doesn't mean being emotionless. It's about letting go of attachments. Clinging to possessions, opinions, and outcomes creates suffering. It fuels the ego mind. Embrace simplicity. Declutter your life. This creates space for peace and clarity. Like a sculptor chipping away at stone, release what no longer serves you. Find freedom in emptiness. This allows your true self to shine through.
Section 6. Nature's Wisdom, a mirror to our true selves. Nature has always been a profound teacher, offering us lessons in patience, resilience, and interconnectedness. Verse 37 of the Tao Te Ching reminds us, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Observe the trees. They grow slowly, yet they reach great heights. They stand tall and strong, rooted deeply in the earth, drawing nourishment from the soil. Their roots spread wide, anchoring them firmly. They weather storms with grace, bending but not breaking. Nature teaches us resilience, showing us how to adapt and thrive even in challenging conditions. It shows us the power of stillness. In the quiet moments, we find clarity and strength. The forest, in its stillness, is alive with wisdom. It reminds us that everything is connected. The roots of trees intertwine, supporting each other just as we are connected to one another and to the world around us. By spending time in nature, we reconnect with our true selves. We find a sense of peace and belonging that is often lost in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Listen to the whispers of the wind. It carries messages of wisdom and tranquility, reminding us to slow down and be present. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. It is a gentle reminder of the life-giving energy that sustains us all. In nature's embrace, we find peace. The serenity of the forest calms our minds and soothes our souls. We remember our place in the grand scheme of things. We are but a small part of a vast, interconnected web of life. And in this realization, we find humility and grace.
Section 7. Mastering the Mind, a Path to Authentic Living. The battle for your life is fought within your mind. Choose your thoughts wisely. Cultivate thoughts that bring you peace, joy, and fulfillment. This is the essence of the Tao Te Ching. By mastering your mind, you master your life. You create a life of purpose and meaning, a life lived in harmony with yourself and the world around you. The journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Embrace the wisdom of the Tao. Discover the transformative power within. Your journey to authentic living awaits.